When you've been in an automobile accident, it's hard to keep track of all those things that you're supposed to do. One of the biggest questions is, am I okay? Do I need medical attention? David Greene is here with us today to shed some light on all of this. David, great to see you.
Great to see you.
All right, so when should someone seek medical attention after they've been in a car wreck?
Anytime there's damage to either vehicle, you need to make sure that you get checked out by a doctor. The statute in Alabama is 2 years. You need to make sure that you get checked out well before that, but get checked out immediately, because after that 2-year statute runs, you cannot make a claim.
All right, so if you have some serious injuries, of course, you're going to know about that. But what you're saying is, even though if you may not feel pain right away, you still need to be examined. That's the best choice, to get examined by a doctor.
Exactly right. After the accident, you may not feel any pain immediately, but after a couple of days, you may be sore, and then you may get better, but then it may come back. But if you've not documented that you had an injury, then you may have a problem proving your case.
Now, if you aren't experiencing that pain and you still go to the doctor, what do you tell them when they're checking you out?
Well, just tell them simply, I was involved in an accident. There was damage to my car. I'm just concerned about being checked out. Check my neck, check my back, just check me over and see if you can determine anything that's wrong with me. And there may not be anything that's wrong with you at all, but at least you've documented that you got checked out by the doctor.
All right. If the accident victim doesn't have a primary care doctor, someone they go to often, what should they do?
Well, I would say simply talk to a local lawyer. Lawyers have relationships with chiropractic physicians that will see you. There's always the urgent care option, but just go ahead and talk to a lawyer if you've had damage to your vehicle. Just a simple conversation. Stop by and see Greene and Phillips or any other law firm and just have a conversation with a lawyer.
I'm sure you can help too. Some folks don't have insurance. They don't know what to do about that. They're concerned about paying for the doctor's visit. What can you tell those folks?
Well, one of the things with Greene and Phillips is we have relationships with physicians that have treated our clients over the years. We can get you into a doctor with no money up front. They will hold the bill, and then the bill gets paid after the case is settled.
All right, sounds good. So if anyone out there has further questions about what they should do, or they'd like to talk to a lawyer, how can they contact Greene and Phillips?
Very simply, 300-2000, or come to the new building, 51 North Florida Street.
All right, David, thanks a lot.
Thanks for inviting me over.
Here's your tech report from the Pepsi Tech Center. Netflix